beauty junkies, it's Heidi Hamwood here. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve my go-to look for autumn. Want to see how to achieve this look? Please keep watching. I've already prepped my eyes with the Mecca Max Life Proof Concealer, and I've just set that with a little bit of powder. Now I'm just going to take this MAC palette. It is just the 15 Warm Neutral palette, and I'm going to take the shade Saddle and apply it into my crease. I'm jumping into the Bobbi Brown New Drama palette, and I'm taking the shade Earth, which is a nice cool brown shade, and I'm going to use that to further blend out the edges of that eyeshadow. Going back into that Bobbi Brown palette, I'm taking the shade Espresso, which is a really nice dark brown shade. I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye to give the eye a little bit more dimension. You want to start with a little bit of eyeshadow first and build your way up to your desired opacity, because it is easier to add eyeshadow than to take away. You also want to make sure in between you are blending out those edges. Going back into the MAC palette, I'm taking the shade Amber Lights, which is a beautiful coppery shade. I'm going to take this onto my finger and apply it directly onto my lid. Then using the Mecca Max Soft Shadower brush, I'm going to use that to lightly blend and diffuse the edges. I want to add a little bit of sparkle to the center of the lid, so I'm going back into the Bobbi Brown New Drama palette, and I'm taking the shade Pink Bellini and applying this directly into the center of my lid. Taking the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, I'm going to use this to apply a really thin line really close to my top lash line, just so it can cover my lash band when I do apply lashes. So when I do apply a thin band of eyeliner, I like to take an angled brush and use it to smudge out the end of that eyeliner so you can't see where it ends. Just like that. So before I apply mascara and false lashes, I want to tightline my upper waterline. So for that, I'm taking the NARS Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner in the shade Via de Martelli. It's a brown liner. I find that using a brown looks a little bit more natural than a black. So I'm going to take that and tightline my upper waterline. Next, you want to apply some mascara, and I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin The Volume Mascara. I'm excited to try this. Kevyn Aucoin is a damn legend. Wow. Oh, I love this mascara. So I love the look of more natural lashes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the MAC Cosmetics individual lashes, and I'm going to apply them where there are gaps between my natural lashes. So I'm not going to do anything too specific. I'm just going to take a mixture of the medium lashes and the long ones. I then just want to add a little extra coat of mascara. I want to keep the eyes looking wide, bright and awake, so I want to take another NARS Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner, this time in the shade Rue Bonaparte, so I'm going to apply this into my waterline. So next is brows. I'm taking the Hourglass Arch Brow Sculpting Pencil in the shade Dark Brunette, and I'm going to use this to lightly fill in my brows. I'm going to start by brushing my brows up with the spoolie end, and then I'm going to fill in my brows starting from the tail end. Moving on to the skin, I'm first starting off by applying my Mecca Max Life Proof Foundation in the shade Sand, and I'm going to apply this to my skin using my Mecca Max Beauty Bullet. To conceal my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Mecca Max Life Proof Cream Concealer. I'm going to use two shades. First shade I'm going to apply is Sand, and then to brighten up the under eye a little bit, I'm going to apply the shade Ivory. To set my under eyes in place, I'm going to bake with my Mecca Max Banana Bake. While I wait for my under eyes to bake, I'm going to move on to my lips, and I'm going to start by lining my lips with the NARS Precision Lip Liner in the shade Ride It. On top of that, I'm applying the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Rock With You. I'm just going to neaten up and sharpen my lips, and I'm just going to be using a little bit of foundation with my Mecca Cosmetica Concealer Brush. I'm taking my Mecca Max Banana Bake with my Mecca Max Bake and Set brush, and I'm going to use these to dust off the powder from underneath my eyes. I'm going to take my mascara once again, and I'm going to apply this to my bottom lashes. Next, I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm taking the NARS Casino Bronzer along with my Mecca Cosmetica Contour Brush. Lastly is blush and highlighter. I'm taking the Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette and I'm taking the shade Score, and then I'll be highlighting with the shade Sin. So we're pretty much done. The final step is to set your makeup, and I'm using the Mecca Max Banana Bake Blurring Setting Spray. It smells like banana. Oh, that's sick. So that's it, guys. This is the finished look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. And be sure to head to Mecca Maxima and shop everything you need to create this look. I'll see you next time. Bye.